Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mate.
This is the place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues.
So Power Mate, today we are not doing a demo, so we are breaking down the top highlight from Fabric February 2026 update. And more importantly, what they mean for you.
Yeah, Alex, let's jump right into my screen so we can share some of the highlights. First of all, let's check and see, first look at the size of this update. This is amazing. Fabric is moving really fast. Every month we see platform maturity, enterprise control, and AI integration tightening. Today we pick 4 updates that will impact architects, data teams, and business users immediately. So, Alex, what do you think?
Okay, so let's start from the first one because I like it. It's like Fabric MCP that keep evolving, So we are seeing a stronger integration with enterprise data sources, uh, better instructions management, and more control over how agents reason over structured data.
Yeah, and this is important because MCPs are no longer just experiments;
Yeah.
they are becoming part of the operating model itself. If you are building AI inside Fabric, this update moves you closer to production-ready patterns. So, uh, why this is important? Because you have better governance, you have predictable out of outputs, and you have a strong alignment with all the different Fabric artifacts. So let's go with the highlight number 2, and that is semantic models and Power BI enhancement. So if you go back to this screen and you check on that one, you are going to see in this Fabric section, the semantic model itself. So a couple of things that I recall. First of all, the performance that you're getting in modeling changes. If there are improvements in data lake, and couple of more things to say. Fabric continues to optimize performance and model measurement. If you're running large model data lake workloads or enterprise dataset, this matters a lot.
As Gaston mentioned, this is not cosmetic. It's like this is about reducing refresh friction, improving query speed, and simplifying model governance. So now the impact is faster insight, lower operational friction, better experience for report developers, for example. So let's talk about the highlight number 3. It's like real-time intelligence or event stream update. So Gaston, what we can say around this highlight?
Yeah, for different industries like manufacturing, supply chains, IoT, financial services, this close the gap between event and decision. If you combine real-time intelligence with, let's say, public data agents, you move from dashboard to proactive action, and those are the operational agents. So, first of all, the impact is going to be near real-time decisions, stronger operational analytics, foundation for autonomous workflows. So that is more of the aspect that's what's going on right now with the real-time intelligence workload. And then the highlight number 4, and this is more governance, security, and one leg improvements, uh, going again back to our original uh, blog post. You're going to see a lot of different directions in terms of where Fabric is going in terms of governance and so on. So, a couple of things that I recall here, and why this is critical. First of all, because one layer, the security, the purview are high priorities in terms of updates for the Fabric product team. The enterprise controls or compliance updates, and that's why we think that this is more on the enterprise adoption and how to scale in terms of leveraging security lineage and role clarity.
Yeah, so Fabric is not just a data tool anymore. Of course, it's a platform. So, and every governance enhancement reduce the risk for CEOs and CDOs. So lower compliance risks, clearer lineage, stronger enterprise adoption, and that segment. Why this matters. So yeah.
Yeah, here's the big picture. Fabric is conversion between data engineer, data analytics, agents, real-time workloads into one operating data platform. This month shows three different main trends. First of all, AI is becoming embedding and not just optional. The second one is the performance and scale are improving really fast. The third is the governance is keeping the pace across the whole platform.
If you are a data leader, this is your signal. Stop treating Fabric as a BI upgrade. Uh, you should start treating it as your AI data foundation. For all. So, and we only cover four highlights. There are many more in this update, so you can go and check.
We recommend, of course, all our power mates, you read the full blog, evaluate what impacts in your current tenant and architecture.
So as usual, Power Mates, drop in the comment which update are most excited about, and that's all for today. If this helped, please hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It again, as always, it's free and it really helps to reach others that may want to learn more. So stay powerful, Power Mate, and join us on this journey.
Together, let's unlock the full potential of Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah.